Are you struggling to tailor your resume to each of your applications? Do you want to write resumes that land interviews? Then this video is for you. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to using ChatGPT and Google Gemini to custom tailor your resume to your specific job applications. Hi, my name is Bjorn from the AI Underground, and let's get started. This is the prompt we're working with right here. It's pretty straightforward, just explains what we want to do, which is custom tailor and modify our resume to match the job that we're applying to. Gone are the days where you make one resume and force feed those to all the job recruiters for all the different jobs you're applying for. Nowadays, you can custom tailor stuff without a lot of work, and hopefully it'll help you stand out a little bit. Although everybody has access to AI tools these days, so I feel like by customizing it, you're keeping up with the pack. If you don't customize, you're the one who stands out as not putting in any work. So template, here we go. I'm gonna read this out to you. And we're gonna copy and paste it and update it and actually try it out on ChatGPT and Gemini. I'm in the process of applying for a, insert job description and title there. To make my application as compelling as possible, I need to tailor my existing resume to highlight how my background aligns with the job requirements listed in the job posting. Here is the job posting. We're going to copy and paste the posting in here. You could potentially just copy and paste the link. We're getting this job posting from LinkedIn, or it's not LinkedIn, from Indeed, and the posting's on the right. There's a bunch of other jobs on the left. So I feel like if you paste this link in, it's going to pull in all this other information, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to copy the text from the job posting and use that. Let's carry on. Here's my resume. Paste in the resume there. I'm looking for advice on positioning, how to prioritize my experiences and skills on the resume to match the job description, language and keywords, identifying and incorporating keywords from the job posting to ensure my resume resonates with automated screening systems and hiring managers. Achievements, how to frame my past achievements to demonstrate I can deliver the results the employer is seeking. Given this information, can you assist me in optimizing my resume for this job title, position, to ensure it showcases my suitability and aligns with what the employer is asking for? Here where I have job title and up here job title, you might have to customize some of the words around it based on what the job title is. You'll see that in just a second. So I'm going to copy and paste this prompt. This prompt is in the description down below this video. So if you want to copy and paste it from there, go for it. Let me know what your results are. I'd love to know. And just before we customize this is a great time to hit the like button if you find this kind of video helpful, and click subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Let's get back to it. So I'm applying for, I have to replace this with the actual job. So let's see what the job is. IT Help Desk Technician at Cookies Department Stores. So IT Help Desk Technician at Cookies Department Store. And I don't know if this is at just one. It says here Cookies Department Stores, but that might be just their website. I don't know if you're like head of IT for all the stores. Either way, that'll be good enough. ChatGPT will figure it out. Then we want to paste in the job posting. I'm going to copy the whole thing right from the very top, right down to there. And I'm going to paste in my resume, a fictitious resume, but one that is tailored to IT. There's my resume. And then we want to customize the job title down at the bottom. Just going to copy and paste from the top. So this is where I said we should fix some of the words. I'm in the process of applying for a IT Help Desk Technician. I guess you could say position here. Position at Cookies Department Store. Or get rid of the then that works as well. So you just need to do minor tweaks like that. GPT might not require that, but it makes sense to me. Can you assist me in optimizing my resume for this IT Help Desk Technician position? Cookies Department Store to ensure it showcases, Excellent. So I'm going to copy this. We're going to put this in the Gemini at the same time. Hit go on GPT. Paste it in here. Hit airplane on Gemini. And now we're going to see what this comes up with. Gemini's done already. Gemini's so much faster than GPT, but it's also less wordy, I think. And GPT is actually having revised or adding revised resume extracts. So ways to, you can copy and paste this resume. It's almost the whole thing, not just an extract. Okay, GPT's done. That's our prompt. Okay, so positioning, given the job description, it's essential to highlight your experience in Windows, help desk support. Yeah, that's probably right. It looked at the job listing, extracted keywords like help desk ticket system, support POS software, hardware installation, network support, Windows OS installation, certified, Microsoft certified network professional. Let's see if Gemini picked those up, those same ones. Keywords. It didn't. See on, oh wait, here. IT help desk ticket system, supported POS software, troubleshooted issues, and provided customer service. Different. Action verbs, managed, implemented, increased, reduced, spearheaded, and graded. So I feel like GPT's advice is a little more on point. Let's see if these actually appear in the job listing. There's help desk system. Support POS software right there. Hardware installation right there. Network support right there. So network support, you could even have network support and maintenance in your resume. Windows OS installation and support, Microsoft certified professional. All of those terms that GPT pulled out appeared in the resume, and that could definitely help you get past automated screening services that a lot of companies use these days. The keywords Gemini pulled out, I got this one. It's the same thing. But these are more keywords from the resume, not from the job listing. And when you want to get past the screening software, you want to use keywords from the job listing, not your resume. You want to have them in your resume, but you want to get the words and the phrases from the job listing. Here's an example how you could rewrite your experience on a technical support specialist. So it's offering rewrite information or rewrite examples for one specific position and some extra tips. And then GPT basically rewrites your whole resume based on what you're applying for. And of course, Gemini, you could prompt again, could you rewrite my whole resume based on the job listing? I'm sure it would. And GPT would do the same thing as well. I'm going to copy and paste both these outputs down below so you can read through them. And I'm not going to waste your time reading it, at least not the whole thing. And I encourage you to go to the prompt, copy and paste it from down below this video, and try it out on a job you're interested in or a job you're thinking of applying for. Put in your actual resume and see how you can improve your resume based on the job listing, customize it for the job listing to help give you a better chance to get the job, because this stuff works. It works for sure. Next up, check out this video right here, which is all about customizing your cover letter for each job that you're applying for. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from the AI Underground. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.